Alright, you guys, welcome back to my channel today. And today I'm recording on my bed, so it's different, my blanket and all that. I got the new purple dragonizer at Walmart today. This is the freestyle wrecker version. Name: dragonizer, truck type creature, strength, feared dragon, crash attack, dragon bite. All I need for this case is gangster, and the scratch attack in this case is complete. Pretty cool. Further ado, I'm gonna open this. And we don't care about the car. I just care about the truck. Okay, here it is, guys. The purple rims and the tires have those claws in them. Purple metal flake. Green see-through wings, which is cool. I love the horns, are cool. Sorry about that. His eyes are red. Red roll cage, the black mouth guys. Silver chassis, red tail dragonizer right there. Dragonizer. Pretty cool. That's all I got today, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share, guys. More unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope y'all enjoyed.